As you can see here, guys, they have made over $100,000 online. And what I want to do in this video is show you some of the easiest ways to make money online with AI software. Now, if you've been living under a rock, you probably know that AI software is blowing up right now, like ChatGPT, Midjourney, DALL-E, and other online AI softwares, and people have been making money online with these particular softwares. Now, right now is one of the best times to actually get into try and make some money with this because it's trending right now, and there's so many little pockets online that you could jump into to make money before they get saturated. So you're going to want to listen to this video, and I'm going to show you some of the best ones and take you through step by step how you can actually do this with some examples as well. I've been making money online for a very long time, and I haven't seen an opportunity like this for years. This is one of those things that you are going to want to dive into, or at least have a look into this to see if you could potentially make money with these methods. So let's jump into this video and I'll show you how to make money online with AI. All right, guys, the first thing you want to do for this first way to make money with AI software online is you want to head to a website called midjourney.com. And on Midjourney, you're going to join up and you're going to actually get access to an AI bot in Discord that can create AI art for you, and we can use this to make money with AI software. Now, this is one of my favorite ways, and lots of people are making money doing this. And what you can actually do is you can go ahead and create these images, and you can go over to a website called Etsy.com. And on Etsy.com, you can create things like canvases, mugs, t-shirts, all sorts of things with AI art on it. So for example, we have these shark underwater canvases. If we look at my bot here, where I've actually done a command for it, you can see that this is a great white shark in the ocean. It looks very real. You can't really tell the difference. It's insane. And you could potentially use this to go and sell canvases online, like you see right here. See these shark canvases? So you can go ahead and do that. Like, this is a really, really nice one here. It sells for $49. And this is a nice one right here. That one down the bottom right here actually looks very similar to the one that I've created right here. Now, if we go and actually look at this, so this is a one with space, so NASA, and I went ahead and took a look at this particular store. You can see the store right here. They've got over 2,000 sales. You can see what type of stuff they're selling. I actually used a software called Allura, and it tells me an estimation of how much they have earned. And it's around about $114,000 by selling these types of canvases that you can go and create using AI software like Midjourney through the Discord. And you can actually see here, there's lots of other ones that I could use, like this one here. That just looks insane. And it really just depends on the prompts that you put in. So if you put like basic information, you're going to get basic images, but if you put in a bit more detail, you'll get better images. This one looks amazing. This is hot lava on a beach running down a snow mountain. So this is the prompt: molten lava flow down Icelandic black sand beaches. And this one looks really, really good. So that is one of the ways you can go ahead and make money with AI software. It's by going and creating AI art and then selling it on Etsy.com for a profit as a canvas, mug, t-shirt, or literally anything. Now, another way that you can make money online with AI software is you can go ahead and you can write ebooks for people using an AI bot called ChatGPT. So if we go ahead and look at this and you go to openai.com, you can go and click on Try ChatGPT, and it will take you to a software where you can actually use it to write things for you. So if we go to fiverr.com and I put in write book, you can go and sell ebooks online for people. So people will pay you to write an ebook. And all I did is, I've done some examples for this video. I went into ChatGPT, and to make money on ChatGPT, all I've done is created a 3,000 word ebook. So I said, write a 3,000 word ebook on how to start affiliate marketing. Now keep in mind, 3,000 words is very small for an ebook. They can go up to 10,000 words, even more. But I wanted to do this for this example in this video. And as you can see, it's written me a pretty decent ebook covering the basics of affiliate marketing that I could potentially sell online to someone on fiverr.com. So I would recommend you go and put up a gig on fiverr.com and potentially sell ebooks, because it's a really easy thing to go and get a chatbot like ChatGPT to go ahead and create Obviously, you would need to edit it and make it sound a little bit better if it doesn't sound very good, but most of the time it actually comes out really, really good. And you're not really selling them for a lot of money on Fiverr, unless you're like this guy selling it for $1,300. You would need to actually make sure it's pretty good. But most of the people are just selling it for like $100, $6, $50, $16. So you don't have to put in a huge amount of time on some of these ebooks. Now, another way, and this is also on Fiverr.com, they've added a new section called AI services. So this is brand new. You can go ahead and sell AI art. Now, a lot of people have been saying you can't actually sell AI art. You're not allowed to do it. If you have a subscription with Midjourney, you have the rights to the images. You can read it in their terms and services. You can do whatever you like with those images. And what happens is it creates these images just for you, because I'm private messaging the bot. No one else can see them. These are created just for me to use. So you can go ahead, and what you can do is you can go and put a gig up on Fiverr.com, and you can get people to send you their prompts. So they will send you the prompt. The prompt is this thing right here. So for example, this is the prompt. Okay, that's what you put into Midjourney to get the image. Now, because those people have given you the prompt, there's not a lot of work you really have to do. They will give you the prompt. You put that into Midjourney, and it will spit out the image. Now, you might need to do a little bit of playing around with it, different variations, maybe do it a few times to get a really good looking image. But most of the time, you're going to get a really good image that you can send back to the person that's just paid you for that image. This is a super easy way to make money with AI because it's so simple. The people that are hiring you to do the service essentially do everything for you. You just go ahead and use the software to spit out the image. Now, another awesome way to make money with ChatGPT online and other AI software is to go ahead and do sales copy. Now, I've used an example in this video, and that is a real estate property description. And to my surprise, it actually came out really good. So what I did is I asked ChatGPT, write a real estate description of a 200 square meter, 4-bedroom house with open plan living and marble kitchen bench tops. Now, you're going to want to put in something much more specific. So obviously what's going to happen is you're going to get a real estate agent, and they're going to say, hey, can you create me a description? And you can go ahead and do it with an AI bot, and they'll give you a description of the house and everything. You go ahead and put it into ChatGPT. You make a few edits. You want to put in more information than that. And what I did is I got this here. So this stunning 200 square meter bedroom, 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom house boasts a modern open-plan living area with a spacious and airy feel. The main living area is perfectly entertaining and features large windows that let in an ambience of natural light. The beautiful marble kitchen bench top adds a touch of luxury, etc., etc. But what I also did is I asked it to make it a little bit longer, so I can kind of chop and change and do what I like, and then send it off to the client. This is a really easy one to do, and you can do this with other things as well. So this one here, I will deliver high conversion copywriting to boost your sales. I will write perfect sales copy that sells instantly. I will write engaging sales copy. I will write a high converting ebook description. You can do Shopify descriptions. You can do all sorts of stuff with ChatGPT when it comes to sales copy descriptions and things like that. Now, another really simple way to use ChatGPT is to go ahead and do advert copy. And what I mean is like Facebook ads, because it's so easy for this to create these types of ads. Now, the thing about when people are doing advertising, like me, for example, I do advertising, we test hundreds of different variations. So I do use ChatGPT myself to create Facebook ads, because what I need to do is I need to go ahead and create like 20 different ad types, and 1 or 2 of them are going to really work extremely well for me. But to do that at scale, I need to use something like ChatGPT. So people actually go out and they pay you to make ad copy for them, or sales copy as we call it. Okay, so I've got an example here, and I told ChatGPT to write a 300-word Facebook advert about my online store that sells donuts. Now keep in mind, these are just for the example of this tutorial. Sometimes you might need to put in more prompts. Sometimes you might need to make it more basic, more advanced. It's really going to be up to you in your testing. But it actually did a pretty good job. Now, I would probably make this a lot shorter for a Facebook ad, maybe 100 words or 200 words. But this gives you a general idea of the type of content that ChatGPT is going to spit out when you ask it to do a Facebook advert copy for you or your client. Now, another way that you can make money with ChatGPT, and this video is mainly about ChatGPT apart from the mid-journey, is you can actually go ahead and ask it to create video scripts. Now, there is a huge amount of people who want video scripts, and the reason is YouTube is blowing up right now. Like if you look at all of these here, these guys have 1,000 reviews, 1,000, 1,098, 166, etc., etc. Now, the reason is because most people that do YouTube channels, they need a script to do the video. It's really hard. I don't use a script. I do most of mine just off the top of my head, but a lot of people can't do videos unless they have a script in front of them, and that's perfectly fine. And the good thing about that is that you can make money by selling video scripts. Now, I don't have one in ChatGPT right now, but it does make very good video scripts. I have actually tested it myself. All right, guys, so those are some simple ways that you can go and make money online with AI software. And I class these as some of the easiest ways for you to potentially make money online with things like ChatGPT and Midjourney. Now, if you want more content on AI software like ChatGPT and Midjourney, don't forget to subscribe and tap that notification bell so you know my next video comes out. Hit that like button. If you have any questions, let me know below. But these are some of the easiest ways to make money online with AI software.